We helped an 8-figure cosmetic brand to increase their product margin by 43%. This is how we did it, and this is how you can do it too. My name is Omer Sasson, and for the last decade, I'm living in Asia, and my company and I are helping brands to source and develop profitable products in Asia. So the brand contacted us because they wanted to increase profit. They felt they can earn more for the products they are already selling. The product was currently made in China, and they were selling it on Amazon and Shopify. Currently, they were paying $1.27 per piece, and they were ordering 6,000 pieces per order. And they were selling it with price of $19 retail. After we did research what we can do to help them increase profit, we came up with 2 solutions. The second one might really surprise you. First, we found a factory in China that can make the product with price of $1.12, which is 0.15 cheaper compared to their current price, and with their volume, it's really not bad. But I really felt we can do better than this, so I came up with a question. What can we do to upgrade the product so you can sell it with much higher price? Because usually when brands are thinking about increasing profit for products they are already selling, they are thinking about cutting costs. And in many occasions, it's great and it's the right solution. But for some product, sometimes the solution is to upgrade the product you are already selling and to increase your selling price and then to increase your profit much more. And the brand came up with an interesting answer. They say, if we can take the product that we currently make in China and make it in Korea, the perceived value will be much higher and we will be able to sell it in at least $27 per piece, which is a huge difference in the margin. So we did research for factories in Korea, and I want to share with you the numbers, really surprising. So the price we got in Korea is 1.5, which might sound, wait, it's higher than the price they were already paying. That's right. But if we look at the price of 1.5 and the fact they can sell it in $27 with the quantities they do, the profit is much, much higher. So if we look at the 3 options, the original price in China, 1.27, the new price we got for them in China, 1.12, and the new price we got for them in Korea, 1.15, just that in this case, they can sell it in $27 and not in $19, okay? So we did it. We made a product in Korea and they actually sold it in $27. And if we look at 6,000 pieces per order, 4 annual order per year, look at the numbers, what is the difference in a gross profit, okay? So in revenue and gross profit. So the actual number we got in total revenue increased from $456,100,000 to $648,100,000. So you can see it's a huge difference. So just to be clear, we are talking about annually 187K gross margin per year increase. Okay. Now, to be transparent, we are talking about a margin that doesn't include shipping and marketing and logistics. Okay. Only about a product cost and sales. Okay. But it's a huge difference. So if you also want us to check if we can help you to increase profits for your product and your brand is making at least $1 million, please hit the link below. Let's schedule a meeting and talk.